If you're managing Facebook and Instagram for your business, you've probably wondered about the difference between Facebook Business Suite and Facebook Business Manager. Both tools are designed to help businesses manage pages, ads, and accounts, but they serve slightly different purposes and audiences. Facebook Business Suite, now commonly called Meta Business Suite, is all about simplifying day-to-day management. It's designed for small to medium-sized businesses or teams who want a centralized hub for posting, messaging, and tracking insights. With Business Suite, you can schedule posts for both Facebook and Instagram, respond to comments and messages in a unified inbox, and even check analytics across both platforms. It also has basic ad creation and management features, making it easier for teams that want to run campaigns without diving into the more complex ads manager. The focus is on ease of use and convenience, with a mobile app that lets you manage your accounts on the go. On the other hand, Facebook Business Manager is a more advanced tool, designed for advertisers, agencies, and larger businesses. It allows granular control over accounts, ad campaigns, and permissions. Here, you can manage multiple ad accounts, assign detailed roles to team members, and control who has access to pages and assets. Business Manager also integrates deeply with Meta Ads Manager, giving you full control over complex campaigns, advanced targeting, budgets, and reporting. It's ideal for businesses that need high-level oversight, structured workflows, and enterprise-level advertising capabilities. Another difference is in how the two platforms handle assets and collaboration. Business Suite focuses on content, messaging, and simplified analytics, while Business Manager emphasizes security, role-based permissions, and centralized management of multiple accounts and ad campaigns. Essentially, Business Suite is more user-friendly and lightweight, while Business Manager is feature-rich and powerful for more complex operations. To summarize, if you're a small business owner or social media manager who wants to post, message, and analyze easily, Business Suite is the way to go. But if you manage multiple pages, ad accounts, or work in an agency setting where control, permissions, and advanced advertising are critical, Business Manager is the better choice. Many businesses use both together: Business Suite for daily operations and content, and Business Manager for larger campaigns and account administration. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clarify the differences between Facebook Business Suite and Facebook Business Manager, make sure to like and subscribe for more social media tips and marketing insights. Comment below and let me know which tool you use for your business, and why. See you in the next one.